On the 87th anniversary of the Indian Air Force, the Air Force Day Parade was held at the Hindon Air Force Station. Wing Commander Abhinandan leads MiG-21 Bison formation at IAF Parade. Rajnath Singh to receive IAF's first Rafale jet in Paris today. K. Chandrasekhar Rao trying to suppress workers' rights, says Telangana Congress, as TSRTC strike enters fourth day. The Joint Action Committee of TSRTC has called on all party leaders tomorrow to discuss the key decisions taken by the government. Faced with criticism over poor condition of roads in the city, GHMC waiting for dry spell to fix rain-battered roads. CPIM cracks the whip against party leader for faulty nomination papers. Suspend him for 1 year. Wise Jagan Mohan Reddy to launch Kanti Velugu program on October 10th. BJP's backing will help AIADMK, says ex-BJP State Unit President L. Ganeshan. In a tragic accident, 4 members of Tamil Nadu family drowned while posing for selfie at Pambaru Dam. In last 5 years, never conspired to pull down government, says Uddhav Thackeray. RSS chief says lynching is a Western construct, urged citizens to create harmony and that everyone should live within confines of law. Security forces killed a militant in an encounter in Avantipura town of Pulwama district of Jammu and Kashmir today. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is unlikely to participate in the C40 Cities Climate Summit in Copenhagen, Denmark, scheduled to begin on Wednesday. PM Krishna, Romila Thapar and others condemned sedition case against 49 celebrities, says will speak up against mob lynching, the silencing of people's voices and the misuse of courts. Farooq Abdullah calls for release of all detainees. Tourists to be allowed in Jammu and Kashmir from October 10th, an official spokesman said. Rahul Gandhi's foreign trip just ahead of the assembly elections in Maharashtra and Haryana has triggered speculations. Kochi Metro trains to increase speed from today. The frequency of trains will also be improved. Imran Khan arrives in China to meet Xi Jinping. US Congress Committee urges India to end communication blackout in Kashmir. Iran urges Turkey not to go ahead with attack on Syrian Kurds. Hong Kong mulls internet ban to stop protests. The warning came as the hub remained partly paralyzed for 3 days of protests. India gets first tranche of Swiss account details under automatic exchange framework. The next exchange would take place in September 2020. Maruti cuts production for 8th straight month in September. Andy Murray to make Grand Slam return at Australian Open. Smith Warner make T20 return as Australia eyes World Cup. 2 Indian origin persons figure in Fortune's 40 under 40 list. Facebook to settle advertiser lawsuit for $40 million. 1 year since Me Too movement in India, Karnataka garment factory workers say harassment still continues. Rajnikant keeps his promise, buys a house for veteran story writer and producer Kalai Gnanam, who had introduced him as a hero through his 1978 flick Bhairavi. I'm born to act, will be acting till I die, says Kareena Kapoor. Salman Khan is all geared up for the release of his upcoming film Dabangg 3. Introduces Kicha Sudeep as villain Balli. Sachin Tendulkar and Gautam Gambhir wish fans on Vijayadashmi. Smartphone makers rake in millions during festive sales.